Okay, 1.3, you will be able to solve a linear equation. First of all, equation is two algebraic expressions set equal to each other. In other words, it has an equal sign. That's how you know it's an equation. Solution is the value of a variable which makes an equation true. So, 3 steps in doing that. First step is simplify both sides of the equal sign. Get x to be only on one side, and then start isolating it by either adding and subtracting, and then the last step will always involve multiplication or division. So in other words, you want x equals something. All right. I did this one. All right, so let me just go over the steps. See here, I have the variable already on one side. All right, so it's now on both sides. So all I have to do now is I isolate this term. So in order to do that, you do what's opposite. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. So I get 6m equals 21 plus 3. Gives me 24. Now my last step will always involve multiplication and division. So I got to get rid of the 6. Because I got to isolate m. I got to get m by itself. So this is 6 times m. So therefore I'm going to divide by 6 because it's the opposite of multiplication. So what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So therefore I get m is equal to 4. This is my solution. So now if I take 4, plug it in for m, which I did down here, and do order of operations, I should get 21, and which I do. Another example is I have a variable that's already on one side, so that means I have to keep the 2p. So that means this positive 5 has to go over to the other side. In order to do that, you do the opposite. So it's positive 5, so I subtract 5 from both sides. 3 minus 5 is negative 2, equals 2p. Now I divide both sides by 2, and now I get my solution of p is equal to negative 1. And this is the same thing as p is equal to negative 1. You can write it either way. It does not matter.